Hey, I'm Tad. I've been in the HVAC industry for 2+ decades. I've created a lot of HVAC content. In the past, you've watched the content, you've asked me a question or requested a guide. And sometimes I haven't always been able to be there right then at that very moment. But finally, I've created something, a way for you to have me right there, right in your pocket, right beside you. You're watching HVAC Tips for Technicians. I'm Tad, this is Taddy Digest. Let's go. I remember, I'm on my way to the job. I'm reading frantically through this paper manual because I don't have the answer. I'm nervous. I don't want to be embarrassed when I get to the client's home and they think for some reason I don't know what I'm doing. But I didn't have the answers. They weren't all right there. So now finally, I've created a tool that will have the answers for you right there when you're on the job, when you're on your way, or before you even start that way. If you're an entry-level position or a seasoned technician, ACToolPro. Pow! Let's dive into the app, and after we do so, and I show you all the greatness contained inside said app, I'm going to show you how to download this and add it to your home page. We're in the app, and the first thing you're going to see is every single component for an air conditioner, a heat pump, thermostat and wiring, an air handler, a mini split, or a gas furnace. You need to know what that component does, how it works, what tools you need, how do you check it, what should you see when you check it, and then what symptoms that component will display. It's right there. We can scroll, we can see all the components, or we can go up to the top bar. We can click all. Air conditioner, if we're working on an air conditioner. Heat pump, we're working on a heat pump. The electrical side. Air handler, thermostat and wiring, gas furnace, or mini split. Let's say we're working on a mini split and we don't know what the choke is, the reactor. Click it. It shows you what it does, how it works, tools required, the key readings, how to check it, and then common symptoms. Right there at your fingertips. Every single component. When I was a student, I wish I had this. Every app needs one of these, the PT charts, for the most common refrigerants that I use. This is also updatable. So if you see a refrigerant that's not on here that you use, hit me up. Let me know if you're using the app and I'll make it happen. We got the PT charts though. We go back up. Let's click R32. We can see saturation temperatures. Look at that, right there. Moving on, we got our calculators, the HVAC calculators. Whether you need to know the target superheat, the superheat, the subcooling, delta T, voltage imbalance. You're checking the capacitor, the temperature rise for your gas furnace, or Ohm's law. Got the calculators for you right here. This part is my favorite part of the app. These are my guides. The most requested thing from members of my channel are my guides. So I took those member-only guides and I stuck them right in this app, right at your fingertips. So let's dive in. So the first guide is probably the most requested, and that's airflow and ductwork. It's nice to be able to just scroll down and see, oh, it's a 3-ton unit. It needs this size return grill. It's got this CFM. We can do this many vents, and we can look at the round duct size, maybe our branch runs, look at the airflow, and then learn about friction rate, static pressure, and then we can look at the different statics, right? What it's ideal for, how to pick the right duct size, and then we go down and maybe we're using that anemometer in the field and we're measuring the airflow, and then we can use a simple formula and then we can find out what our CFM is. The CFM calculations are right there. Next, mini split guides. If you sell mini splits or you want to, it's great to have a little sizing guide for mini splits. You scroll down, you can see basic sizing by application, whether it's standard insulation, foam insulated, commercial retail sunroom, computer data rooms. We've got sizing considerations. We got quick estimation formulas, and we got key takeaways. Geothermal. Have you ever worked on a geothermal system? Do you know anything about them? Do you want to know? We've got the geothermal training guide built in. So we can look at loop types and length rule of thumb for those loops. Go down, loop design and install guidelines. Soil and rock thermal conductivity. Antifreeze. How much do we need? What kind of antifreeze? All that there. Wire and breaker sizing. Do you know what size breaker you need for that certain size wire? Now you do. Scroll down. Copper conductors. So if we got copper wire. Aluminum. Breaker and derating rules. Right there. Gas pipe sizing. Do you know what size gas pipe you need for your natural gas or your propane gas line? Well, that depends on how many BTUs you have or how long that run might be. Scroll down. We can look at all the charts. We can look at NG or LP right there. Super nice. You're working on a gas furnace. You're using your combustion analyzer tool. I've got a combustion field analysis reference or field guide for you. So we can see all the target ranges, the reading the numbers, the symptom patterns, and best practices. Have you ever wanted to turn me into a robot?
Hey, Taddy.
Well, now you can, because I've got the AI assistant right there, the Taddy AI assistant. So you're stuck, you're at the outdoor, you're at the indoor. Ask the question, hey, the outdoor unit's making this noise, or right now the contactor's not pulling in. Ask the question. You'll get the answer, and then you'll know what to check next. Let's test out the AI, see how good it works. No outdoor fan, compressor hums, but the condenser fan won't spin. Let's see what it says. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if this is accurate. First step, capacitor. Measure the MFD with a capacitor meter. Okay, so check the capacitor. Fan motor windings. Turn off the breaker, measure the ohms. Contactor. Is the fan contactor coil pulling in? So check the contactor, check, see if there's a call. Fan motor seizure. Manually spin the fan blade by hand with the power off. So seeing if it's seized up. Compressor thermal overload. If the compressor keeps tripping, it'll shut everything down. Verify amp draw on the compressor. Is it below its RLA? Start with the cap. It's the quickest and the most common culprit. And then lock out, tag out. So it gives us some safety measures. It works. And if you get bored, check out the About section. I've got a link back to my YouTube channel, a link to my HVAC Tips for Technicians playlist with hundreds of videos of live experience as a technician in the field to help you be a better technician. And then, of course, my website, how to use the app, and then my slogan, I'll keep you cool if you let me. So how do you get that app on your home screen like that? Let me show you how to download it. All right, let's get this on your phone. So we click the Chrome icon. We can see the Google search bar. If you want to type in the Google search bar, I suggest you type in ACToolPro and then Taddy. When you click that, it's going to come up, right? You can see it right there, ACToolPro.com. Now, if you're going in the search bar up above that, the browser, we needed to type in ACToolPro.com. Click it. It's going to come up. Looks like that. Now, to get it on your phone as an app, click those three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down a little bit to where you see Add to Home Screen and click it. It says Install App. Now, when you push that, you're going to see it on your phone. It's downloaded. It's right there. Now we can click on it and use it. And we don't have to be online. No service, no Wi-Fi. All the features available for you. The only thing that's not available without service or Wi-Fi is the AI assistant. Now, let's look at the plans. We got two options, two plans. The first is monthly, 20 bucks a month. For less than $1 a day, you're gonna get me right in your pocket. A comprehensive app with all of my guides, worth way more than 20 bucks. Or we got the annual plan. Now, we can save $40, right? We can save 2 months. Basically, we're getting 2 months for free if we do the annual, but some people just like the monthly. So, got those 2 plans for you. Those are the 2 plans. I've been working on this for quite a while, and I feel like this is the best app for that entry-level position or seasoned technician out there. If you are interested in the app, download it please, and then let me know what I can do to make that app better for those students out there or those seasoned pros. I'm always looking to try to help and see if I can do something that will help somebody's career in the HVAC industry. I feel like I've done a pretty good job with this app, but let me know in the comments what you think. You've been watching HVAC Tips for Technicians. I'm Tad. This was Taddy Digest. Download the app, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.